So I'm here in this cool little town called Carmel by the Sea, California. Great restaurants, lots of cool little shops, and I'm hanging out with my buddy here, G. Garvin from the Cooking Channel. Now, G, I know what you want. You're saying, get me some really good barbecue, some sweet potato.
No barbecue.
Then how about Italian? This is Little Napoli.
Ravioli going down with the arrabbiata sauce.
It's so good, and I just know that I'm getting something authentic.
Chicken parmigiana, here we go.
It just embraces everything that Italian life is supposed to be.
That's because since 1989, owner and chef Rich Pepe has been serving up family recipes you don't usually see outside the booth. A lot of people don't understand how regional Italian food is.
With all my grandparents coming from southern Italy, that's where we really focus. That's what I grew up with. Well, also being from New Jersey, you know, if you don't put good food on the table, somebody's gonna get hurt.
Truly.
Cannelloni tricolore, pick up.
Love the cannelloni. Such a surprise when it arrives. It has red, white, and green like the Italian flag.
Tricolore, 3 colors, my brother.
Come on!
My man.
So how are we starting this off? Working the stuffing right now?
Yes, sir.
Hit it.
Pepperly extra virgin olive oil, onions, the zucchini, yellow squash, and mushrooms. Fresh black pepper over the top, a little bit of kosher salt. We're just gonna cook that down for just a couple of moments.
Just sweating it a bit.
Just sweating it a bit, because it will cook later on when we make the cannelloni roll. Chicken coming in. This is grilled chicken.
Okay.
Just a little parsley right at the end, just to fold. Basically, that's done. Now we're gonna make the pesto sauce.
Got it.
Garlic, fresh basil,
A lot of it.
olive oil, Parmigiano Reggiano. Blend it for just for a couple of seconds. I don't want to heat that cheese up at all.
I like you leave a little texture to it, okay? Let me get after that for you, boss. Nice, G.
Hey, man.
I'm over here helping. G's digging in the
Hey,
backside.
I'm a guest on the show, baby. I get to do what I want to do.
Okay, now we'll fold in a little heavy cream. Now you make your own pasta as well?
We do.
Just a traditional...
Semolina and egg pasta. And 1, 2, 3.
Then go and boil it off a little salt water.
So this is our pre-boiled sheet. Pipe in the ricotta and Parmesan and egg filling cheese.
Okay.
Bada bing.
Did we just get a bada bing?
You got a little
out of
bada bing.
that?
Bada
A little
who?
bada bing in
A little
that.
shout out for Jersey. What can I
Okay.
say? Now we're gonna take our filling. We're gonna lay it across. We did let it cool down just a little bit. Now we are just going to fold it over. We're making like a big burrito. We'll cut this little piece in 3. Now we're gonna go into the skillet with a little bit of water, and we're gonna steam it up. 2 or 3 minutes.
2, 3.
2 or 3 minutes.
It's about no bing.
And we're gonna plate this puppy up. Now I'm gonna come in with our 3 sauces, the marinara, pesto cream sauce, and the Alfredo. Shaved Reggiano Parmigiana, roasted pine nuts, pea shoots.
I gotta tell you,
Just like the Italian flag.
it is gorgeous. We'll meet in the middle like Lady and the Tramp.
Whoa.
Calm down, G. You're dancing.
Man.
There we go. Get it out.
3 words. Forget about it.
Ooh, that's the best compliment you can
Whoa.
get.
To me, one of the keys to this that I'm really digging is the simplicity. You execute the pasta perfectly, you make your own sauces, but what makes the dish so great is with so many flavors on the plate, there's no reason to make it any more complex. Just let the simplicity of it shine through, and that's really what I enjoy the most.
Man, it all works well together. It's phenomenal.
Nice job, Pepe.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Tricolore cannelloni.
Everything inside is very warm and fresh and delicious.
Everything tastes fabulous from the very beginning until the very end.